The content that is displayed in the previous video is a placeholder that is used to ensure that the development tools are working. To replace the default content, we are going to change the app.js file. We are going to remove the placeholder in the app.js file, which is located inside the source folder. We are going to comment the logo and the CSS imports, and we are going to modify the code inside the component, inside the return function, to display the text to-do list. The app.js file contains a React component which is named app. Components are the main building block for React applications, and they are written using JSX, which is a superset of JavaScript that allows HTML to be included in code files without requiring any special coding. Throughout the course, we are going to learn more about JSX in more details. But in this video, the app component defines a render method that React calls to get content to display to the user. When we save the app.js file, the React development tools automatically detect the change and rebuild the application and instruct the browser to reload. The JSX files used in React development make it easy to mix HTML and JavaScript, but there are some important differences from regular HTML files. You can see a common example in the h4 element in the code shown. In regular HTML, the class attribute is used to assign element to classes, which is how elements are styled when using the Bootstrap CSS framework. Even though it might not appear so, JSX files are JavaScript files, and JavaScript configures classes through the class name property. The difference between pure HTML and JSX can be tiring when you first begin React development, but they soon will become a second nature. And don't worry, React will write a warning message to the browser JavaScript console if you forgot you are working with JSX and use the standard HTML instead. If you use the class attribute instead class name, for example, you will see the invalid DOM property class, and you will find this warning in the browser console.